Oras, kuya, para sa ating sambayanang Pilipinas. Magsilang po sa sambayang Pilipino. Maraming salamat. Now, I am already at the tail end of my administration. I thank everyone who has helped me realize the dreams we have for our country. From